What's the meaning of cheapskate? Cheapskate. Cheapskate.
Cheapskate. Cheapskate. Cheapskate is an informal word used to describe a person who is unwilling to spend money or is extremely reluctant to part with their money. It has a negative connotation as it implies that the person is being stingy and is not willing to pay their fair share or contribute to a shared expense. This behavior can come across as selfish and inconsiderate towards others. Being a cheapskate may save a person money in the short term, but it can damage relationships and make it difficult for them to be trusted by others.